Hello my legends, it's your boy Link, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another football shirt video. Today it's two Euro 2024 shirts from ZVBest. Hello legends, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Link, and the football season is basically over at the time I'm filming this. We've had the FA Cup final, Champions League final still to go, but Liverpool aren't involved, so I don't care that much. But I'm just looking forward to the Euros now. I'm so excited. Got my England shirt on ready. 18, Alexander-Arnold. Hopefully that's actually his squad number for the Euros, but we'll see. It's what he often wears for England. But anyway, Euro 2024. The Euros, the World Cup, is always a big occasion for, you know, your football shirt manufacturers, your Nikes, your Adidas, your Puma, your Araya, your Hummel, your Castore. These tournaments are where they often showcase like new templates, new designs, new shirts. So I'm very excited to bring you two shirts that ZVBest sent me to review. I'm excited to get them. Also, if you're excited about Euro 2024, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more Euros content. And I'm also going to be reviewing this real soon, which is it's a sticker album collector pack. It's a Tops sticker album. It's not a Panini one, it's Tops. And it's basically like a sticker album, a tin, and a bunch of stickers to start off the Euro 2024 sticker book. So if you guys like football, that video will be exciting. So subscribe now so you don't miss it. But let's get this package open. I'm excited for this. Two great jerseys in here with great players on. We're going to start with this. Oh yeah, Diogo J. Diogo Jota the Slotter. This is a Portugal jersey. This is a 4XL. I normally have 3XL and authentic shirts. In these ZVBest replicas, I wear 4XL, which is what this Nikon is that I'm wearing now. And if you do want the England ones, ZVBest have got them. So this is the Portugal shirt. Nice shirt. It's got a quite a casual kind of neck on it, which I quite like. I've got the UEFA Foundation for Children sleeve patches, and of course the Euro 2000. It's a little bit bent. It's just been folded in packaging. It will come out. Euro 2024 sleeve patch as well. What else is on this Portugal shirt? Is there anything else? It's like the new Liverpool one in terms of the underarm. Like the new Liverpool shirt, I reviewed an authentic one recently, which has like a white and a yellow. This has the same underarm, but it's like a... Is that navy? I guess it is navy. Is it navy or is it black? I think it's navy and green. Yeah, it's navy because these bits on the sleeves are like a navy kind of colour. But it's a nice shirt. I really like it. I tell you what, the Nike, sometimes on these, you know, non-authentic shirts, the badges can be a bit iffy, but the Nike tech on that one is really good actually. And then of course the Portugal emblem is nice as well. Also, like, these are about 25 quid with postage, and you can get your printing on. Some places you pay 20 quid just to get a shirt printed, so they're really good value, really good quality. And especially if you just want it for like the Euros, like if you just want an England shirt to watch a couple of Euros games in, they post good value. I am gonna give this Diogo Jota shirt I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I haven't noticed anything on the shirt that's bad in terms of it being like a replica, but there is a little bit of plucking on the Portugal badge. Don't know if the camera will even pick it up, but there's a little bit of plucking on the badge. Although I did have that on my official Liverpool Nike one, which cost me like 70 quid, so you know, it happens. I like the UEFA Foundation badge. It's got kind of like a shiny, silvery, I don't know how well it will show on camera, but there's like a glisten to it. And it's the same with this. It's got like a shiny kind of, I think you see it there, like a shiny kind of thing on the patches. So yeah, the first shirt is a Portugal one, Diogo Jota 21. I actually like the numbers as well. I don't know if all the Nike numbers are like this for the Euros, or if these are just Portugal numbers, but I quite like the 3D numbers. They give me like nostalgia for like old France shirts and old Adidas shirts that had the 3D effect to them, so yeah, I like it. Next up is blue. I've gone for an away one because I want something different. Virgil van Dijk Holland shirt this time. I've already got both the England ones, so I thought I would broaden my horizons. And I also thought, I'm a Liverpool fan, so I thought if I get a couple of Liverpool players on, it's a little bit more fun. So the Holland numbers are nice. Do the Portugal ones have that? Yeah, they do. So I didn't notice before very well, but they've got like the little Portugal badge in the thing. The Holland numbers, I'll show you the back first. So in the bottom of the 4 is like a little cutout. There we go. There's a little cutout with like the little Netherlands, I believe it's a lion. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. It's a nice shirt. Virgil 4. Again, same Euro sleeve patches obviously because it's the same competition. Netherlands badge on this one's really nice. Really nice solid badge. I like it because it's a darker shirt. I don't always like white shirts, and it's like this is my favourite of the England ones. I wear this more because it's like a darker shirt. If you spill something on it or if it's a hot day, it just looks nicer. I'm not the biggest fan of like light football shirts unless they're like really bright colours, so I did debate the orange Netherlands one. This has got the same colour as the Portugal one, but it's a bit different because it's like one colour. I'm sure the Portugal one had 2, yeah. So if you look, the Portugal one is a bit stiffer, like it's got a couple of different pieces of fabric meshed together. Awesome patterns all over this Netherlands shirt, like, you know, like little orange details all over it. And it's got that same underarm as the new Liverpool shirt and as the Portugal one had, but it's like a teal and orange number, which is really nice. And it's a cool shirt. Inside the collar there's like a little crown thing. I assume that is a significant thing to the Netherlands. If there's any Netherlands fans watching, let me know. I know there's lots of legends in Holland. And the Portugal one just shows what it has Portugal, which is cool. Again, the Nike tick on this is nice. The 4 on the front as well. Another nice little detail. The tags are good as well. Like I like the Nike have moved to these kind of like cardboard tags that are like better for recycling, and ZVBest replicated that really well. I don't know what's that. So it's also like that pattern's got almost like a bit of a line kind of worked into this like striping. Like there's another bit of it on the front of the shirt there, which is really, it's an interesting shirt. I think with football shirts, lots of people like the kind of fashion of them and the style. But for me, this Holland one is class. It's really nice. It's a classic, honestly. I think it's nice. I'm going to give the Holland one a 9 out of 10. I love it. Honestly, I think it's such a nice shirt. It feels like a Holland shirt, but it is like a modern twist on it. It's not like a boring one. It's got its own stripes and stuff, which make it a bit more unique. Kind of like how Nike does the patterns on some of the Liverpool ones now, like the YNWA on the new shirt. It's got like a kind of like, it's got pattern on it, but it's enough pattern that it's cool, but it's not enough pattern that it's mental, like one of the Nigeria shirts we've seen from, I believe, Nike over the last few years. Some of the Nigeria shirts have been wild. People like them. Sometimes they're a bit over the top though, but this is the perfect balance, honestly. Like it's got class, and also I have been predicting that Holland are going to win the Euros. Lots of people have laughed at me and said that Holland won't win the Euros, but I have predicted Holland to win the Euros. So you heard it here first. And in my video at the start of the season, I probably predicted someone else to win it, but I'm all in on Holland right now. Obviously, I want England to win it, but that might not happen. Thank you to the guys at ZVBest for sending us these shirts to review. Hopefully you guys like them. Let me know what you think of them in the comments down below. Like I say, ZVBest, similar to DHgate, but it's kind of like one seller. It's not like a platform 100s of sellers. So one of the issues with DHgate sometimes is that you don't find like the best quality seller, and then it can cause issues. Also, I believe ZVBest are going to send me the Liverpool shirts for this season, the home, away and third shirt, once they've got them all finalised. So yeah, that will be really cool. We'll be able to look at them soon, so subscribe if you want to see that, if you're a Liverpool fan, or even if you just want to comment about how Man United won the FA Cup. They haven't sacked Ten Hag yet. Hopefully they don't. I don't want them to sack Ten Hag, just on that note. I want Kieran McKenna to stay at Ipswich, so, you know, the less clubs that need a manager, the better. But also, like, even as a Liverpool fan, right, has Ten Hag done that bad a job? Do you think he deserves the sack, or do you think he deserves another year or so? I think it takes time to be successful. Look at Klopp, took like 4 years at Liverpool to do anything. So yeah, I think he needs time to build it. And with the new ownership structure, he should be able to have the support in place to do that properly and successfully. But yeah, let me know what you think. What do you think of Erik Ten Hag, people? Talking to Holland. He might be the new Holland manager after the Euros if it doesn't go well. But anyway, thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Shout out to the guys at ZVBest. Like I say, great shirts. I've always been happy with the ones I've had. There's a bunch of other reviews on the channel from ZVBest, so if you want to go and have a look, you can see Liverpool shirts, international shirts, all sorts of random shirts from them. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more shirt content, because there's lots of shirts coming up this summer that I'm excited about. And I'm also hoping to get the new Ipswich ones that they launch. And as always, we'll be on the lookout. I want to get another mystery shirt box as well, because we haven't done one of them for what seems like forever. So maybe we'll get a mystery shirt box real soon. Thank you for watching. All that's left to say is I've been Link. You've been my legends. I will see you all real soon. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you click up there, you can watch another video of mine, or if you've really enjoyed yourself, you can go down there, subscribe to the channel, and you can help me on my quest to change this Lego play button that YouTube sent me into a gold one.